I would like to call CN Narendra Kumarji to present his use case.
Your voice is not
Hello.
clear.
Yeah.
Hello.
Now I would
Sir,
like
your
to
voice
invite.
is very low.
Yeah. Now I would like to invite CN Narendra Kumar to present his use case.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. My use case is automation of reply of SOCA notice and preparation of appeal based on order of Sir, my screen is visual.
Yes, sir. It is visible now. We
Okay.
can see
So
your
just,
PowerPoint.
I am practicing chartered accountant. I am dealing in GST on pan India basis, and I am speaker of GST and AI both. So this is my brief introduction. I am going to take 1 minute to brief about how automation of appeal and SOCA's reply can be done. Number one. Number two, first we have to do reduction of important informations like name of the assessee, officers, order number, etc. So these are important things which we have to reduce. Yes, how can we reduce? There are 2-3 methods. Number one, we can do the reduction can be done through Microsoft Office. Number one. Number two, we can do that through I love PDF. And third, we can use AI also, as Vaibhavji already told. How can we do reduction through Python? So I'm not going to in detail how can we do this, so because my assignment or my case law is totally different. So just I'm going to brief you about this. So there are many AI tools which here mentioned, NLP, etc. These are tools, Microsoft Purview and these are. So we are not going to discuss in detail about this. Now, point is we can do our work. There are different tools like ChatGPT, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. We can use all these. So here I use ChatGPT and ChatGPT. So how can we do this? I'm going to present that. So this is basically preparation of Python, then generate Python code, then thereafter save Python code, then folder structure. These are folder structure. Then I'm going to start my work now. Sir, I'm going to first explain about reply. How can we draft reply through automation of SOCA notice? So I have prepared prompt. Here I mention requirement, how please generate Python code for preparation of SOCA notice, and we have given some parameters. We have given some case law. We have said please take some judgment from Honorable Supreme Court, various High Court, Tribunal, etc. And last is relevant case. You have to make quote relevant cases, etc. Then we are going to just start. How can we generate Python code? So simply we have to copy it. Or before that, we can do one thing. We have to open, let us say, ChatGPT. Here we are going to upload this SOCA notice. There may be some problems here. Just I'm going to show you through, let us say, Copilot. Results are almost same. So just we are going to drag here. Then we are going to copy our prompt. It will take some time to upload file. There is no some network issue. Basically, they are update. There is some problem. Okay. See, sir, these are my prompt, which we are going to enter. So, Copilot is generating Python code. It will take hardly 30 to 20 to 30 seconds to generate this. Sir, see, talking about you have to PIP install Python, then Python code is there. So here I have already generated through ChatGPT. So which we are going to show you how can use this. Simply we have to come here and go ideally. Then here we have to do one thing. We have to file, then open my Python code. Yet this is my file. Now see, sir, this is Python code generated through ChatGPT, which we are going to run. Simply I have to run here. Sorry. Then click here. Now system is going to run. So asking for company name. Let us say let us I'm talking about A, B, C, D, E. Let us say EF Limited. Then enter. Asking GST number. Let us say 15-digit GST number is there. I'm going to just put. Then enter. Asking for address. Let us say I'm from Gurugram. I'm going to mention Gurugram. Let us say office address, first floor 1. Just going to enter. Asking for authorized signatory name. I'm going to mention. Let us say I'm going to mention my name, Narendra Kumar. Then asking designation. Let us say CA. Asking then city number, city, Gurugram. Then Haryana. Then enter. So this is going to generate it. So sir, this is ABCDEF Limited. Now, sir, we have given command for 11 pages reply. The reply through reply to SOCA notice, section 74 is there, officer's name, everything there, brief about notice, brief case, then period is mentioned there, statutory requirement scheme is there. Now we have asked for time limit. Why is there time bar? Of course, they mentioned there is time bar. Then again, concessional rate is there, classification, unbranded, Ayurvedic, and key authority is there. This is basically regarding assessment case law. Then classification of floor fair cream. Again going to do this. Supreme Court judgment is there. procedure of fairness, quality, evidence, prayer. Then what we have to, what are case law? Mention 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are case law, sir. All are case law. They have taken some case law we have given, some case law they have taken through site. Then notice on High Court, tribunal, everything they have covered. Then what we have to annex, they have given list also. This is basically summary of 120 page. Now this is verification. So this is we have generated within few seconds basically, or we can say minimum less than 1 minute. So this is a reply of SOCA notice. If you, I can explain you SOCA notice of 25 pages. They have given reply of SOCA notice in 11 pages. So within 1 minute, we have received this notice. So this is reply of SOCA notice which we have shown here. Now we are going to discuss about how can prepare appeal against original order of commissioner, which we are going to challenge is state. So just I'm going to brief about this. Sir, allow me. This is SOCA notice which we are going to close it, and another is state. Sir, if you see, there is 73 pages order in original issued by principal commissioner. If you see, these are orders. And what we have done, just we have, in this case also we have prepared, just 1 minute, sir. We have prepared prompt. Through this prompt, we have mentioned, please provide me case law and give me sequence, brief of case, fact of case, ground of appeal, prayer, etc. So we have given some sequence so that they can provide this. So again, I'm going to try this. Let us, once again, I'm going to use ChatGPT if possible. So this is original order, which I'm going to try. If not possible, then we can use again Copilot. So some issue is there, so I'm not going to waste my time. Just I'm going to start Copilot, or we have another option. We can log in ChatGPT.
The last 1 minute is left.
Okay, madam. So just we have in same way, we have generated order. So this is basically our Python code. Now we have generated order. We have requested for 11 pages. They have given order, appeal against order in origin, and then brief of cases, again fact of cases, and all these ground of appeal. This is detail of law analysis and case law, brief of case law 1, 2, and this is my prayer. So this is from my side. How can same procedure we have to adopt in case of preparation of appeal also, which we have explained you at the time of SOCA notice.
Yeah. Thank you, Narendra ji. It was again a very wonderful use case where you have taken the show cause notice and designed your prompt and got the Python code from AI platform. You used Copilot, and then you have used idle to run the Python, and where you have given again inputs to generate. Rama sir, I would like to ask you a few questions.
Yeah, good work, Narendra Kumar ji. I have some question.
Yes, sir.
Why we require Python in this case? Why can't the replies be drafted directly from the ChatGPT or Copilot or any AI large language model?
Yeah, this is good question, sir. Just I'm going to explain you. Let us say I have prepared my custom ChatGPT. There I am going to upload all those law, let us say center government. Basically, I'm going to talking about CGST, SGST, and various case law, and whatever reply we have submitted in earlier years, last 32 years, we can upload in there my custom ChatGPT. Through there, we can do this easily. In place of doing manual, it will take time. we can do in this way, because all informations are in my custom ChatGPT. Through that, we can easily trace out, or we can take information of case law and
No,
previous.
sorry, sir. My question was why we require Python?
Sir, Python is required to generate or for automation of reply of SOCA notice and appeal for this. If we don't want to go through Python, we
Thank
can
you.
do
Thank you,
manually
sir.
also. There's no
Over to
issue.
you, Kumar Venkatesh.
Yeah. Since you have used the Python and all,
Sir,
like,
Kumar Venkatesh,
Yeah,
your
yeah,
voice
yeah.
is very, very slow.
yeah. So I'm asking, like, when you are using the Python, have you connected any API keys to that, or like how it is able, like any kind of notice if I give, will it be able to
Sure, sir.
generate response, or like
Sure.
what is happening at the back end of the
Yes, sir,
Python?
sure, sir. Someone asked me, some officer asked me, can I generate order also? I told him, yeah, you can generate also order, because you have issued ASMT 10. We have submitted reply. You can raise SOCA notice also through this Python code. After getting my reply, you are going to finalize your order. You can put all those information and notices, reply, and you can generate order also through Python code, sir. This is possible, sir, no doubt.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
I would